So hello everyone, good evening. So today I'm going to discuss my activity, which consists of 5 code. So as you can see here, we have the first one, which is to lot for the numbers. So as you can see here, excuse me, here with the int main. So I use the function for loop. So here we have the int I equals to 1, and the condition to meet is to I is less than equals to 10. So the condition to meet is to equals to 10. So as to this one, it is I plus plus, which is means to add 1 every time we did not meet the condition for the I. So we call out the cout I, I call out the I, which is equals to 1, then it will print out 1, and then it will return the value, and then it will add plus 1, which is I equals 1 plus 1, it will become I equals to 2. So it will print out to 2, and then it will repeat the loop, the cycle, until it meets the condition of 10. So we run the code. So as you can see, it keeps repeating and adding until it meets the condition of it equals to 10. So as for the even or odd, here you can see we have the int main, and then here we have the int num, variable name num, variable int. So as you can see, cout, which is to enter a number, it will print this one, and then cin, which is to enter the integer here, cin, it will become a number. So we have to use the function for function if else. So if num as is this sign of percent or module or modular, it means it will get the remainder. So num module 2 is equal to 0, it will call out even is if there is no remainder. Else, if there is a remainder remain, it will call out odd. So we will run the code. So as you can see here, I'm going to input 1. It will answer a odd, since 1 divided by 2, since there is a remainder 1, it will call out. So we run the code again. So if we put it 8, it will call even, since there is no remainder, like that. So under the next one, we have the hello. So as you can see here, for the hello code, which is to print out the hello Arduino. So as you can see here, we have the void means it's that it will return no value, or that has no anything value at all. So as you can see here, void in the variable name, the greet. So it will call cout hello Arduino, and then it will go here first, the int main, and then call out the greet, then return the value, which is nothing at all. Then it will print hello Arduino. There. So as for the fourth one, we have the this one, the arrays, integer of arrays. So as you can see here, we have the int main, int, and then nums. I put blank on it so that you can put how many arrays in it, because if you put 5, you can only put 5 arrays inside of it. So this is my arrays, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 of this, 6 of arrays, 16 with the 5 that. So I use the function for loop for int I equals to 0, then the condition to meet is to I less than 5, which is less than the 5, and then I plus plus if the condition is not still met. So we have to see out call out the nums, which is here. Since first I is 0, it will call out 0. Why is it 0 here? First, because in arrays it is always basically 0. So here 0, so it will call out first 16. Since the I will become a 1 because of this, so 0 plus 1 because it will become 1. So return I equals to 1. Since this is the 1, it will call out 25. It will in here 0 1 2 3 4. This is the last 4, which is less than that 5. So we run the code there. 16 25 20 21 12. It did not include 31 because it is 5 and the condition is to meet is to 5, less than 5. But if we put equals, it will call out the 31. So last we have the toggle. So here in main bool, so bool means is that it is a possible state of two possibles, which is true or false. So bool toggle, so equals to true. We can change this manually, true or false. Since we choose it true, so it will, so if toggle, since toggle and two possibilities is first is true, second is false. So since we manually put it true, so it will call out on, see out on. So if we put it false, it will call out off. So we run the code on. So if we put it false, there, for off. So that's it for my activity. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.